Welcome back to News 46. Many adults who undergo bariatric surgery not only lose weight, but they also see improvements in muscle and joint pain and the ability to walk around. What about teenagers that undergo these procedures? A new study followed a group of teens that had bariatric surgery to see whether the procedure also helped decrease pain and improve mobility.
This health tip is brought to you by
Desert View Hospital and Mountain Valley Physicians Group. Don't put your health on hold. We have time for you. Call us to schedule your appointment. 775-751-7100.
For most teenagers, worrying about things is a normal part of growing up. But teens who are severely obese may worry about being able to walk around and keep up with their friends, or even whether a building has an elevator so they don't have to climb several flights of stairs.
And what this can do is really decrease the quality of life for these individuals.
Bariatric surgery is a viable treatment option for youth with severe obesity. But with that comes risks, but also comes substantial benefits.
Doctors Justin Ryder and Aaron Kelly from the University of Minnesota School of Medicine and co-authors are tracking long-term outcomes for 242 teens that underwent bariatric surgery at 5 centers around the U.S. Surgery like this one, performed by Dr. Thomas Inge at the Cincinnati Children's Hospital. The current study includes 206 of these teenagers and focuses on improvements in mobility and joint pain. All patients participated in a quarter-mile walk test before and after surgery.
We figured from the outset that bariatric surgery, because of the magnitude of weight loss that accompanies it, that these teenagers would be able to walk further and have less pain. But we were surprised about just how much that improved. They were able to walk this distance faster and with a lower heart rate, indicating that their fitness levels improved.
They were about 30 seconds faster at 6 months, and those benefits were sustained up to 2 years post-surgery.
In addition, they were able to do it relatively pain-free compared to before they had the surgery. Many of them will be more likely to engage in physical activity and exercise over time, which we think will give them a better shot of keeping the weight off in the long term.
Catherine Dolf, The JAMA Report.
Thanks so much, Catherine. Teenagers participating in the study were at least 13, but less than 19 years old. Well, here's Darbie O'Donnell with today's Save a Pet.
Hi, I'm Darbie here at Symphony Animal Foundation, and today we are joined with Georgette. Georgette is a terrier mix. She's all black. She has little gray areas because she's 5, but she's really gentle and calm and loves attention and giving affection, and she gives little hugs. She's super duper great, and you should come and see her. So if you like to see her or any of her friends here at Symphony Animal Foundation, you can stop on by. They're at 2501 Wheeler Pass. Take the road Panorama, which is in between AutoZone and Best Western. Keep going down that road, down the dirt road, make a right onto Wheeler Pass, and they're the only things out here. You can give them a call at 775-990-6578, or you can go onto their website at symphonyanimalfoundation.org.
Thanks so much, Darbie. There's a fundraiser happening soon to help out a group of animals being taken care of by Pahrump Paws, Happy Acres, and a few other animal lovers.
Happy Acres is a sanctuary and not actually a rescue. A person called me with a situation 3.5 weeks ago, and these people had 42 animals that they could no longer care for and needed some help. Not having any volunteers, I teamed up with Pets Are Worth Saving Paws because she had volunteers, and we put together this project where we got a facility to use for determining and evaluating the animals, and we put them there. And then their handlers and feeders. Desert Haven has helped us with the adoptions because that's not our field. Our field is getting animals from people and then finding placement for them. Dr. Z has helped with a lot of things on this project. And on the 17th of September, we are going to have a poker run, a barbecue, a band, I'm told, 3 blind mice, and the 5th stop, the bounty hunter, is going to be the final place. There'll be the Hub, Romero's, Sherry's, and Patty's, the other 4 places to go get your cards. You can drive, you can ride your bikes. We're taking donations. We're gathering stuff for a raffle, and like I said, it'll be the 17th, and the final stop with the barbecue is at Bounty Hunter.
So can they get their tickets now?
You can call either the bounty hunter, they have information, or as we do flyers and stuff, the information will go out there. And we're working on flyers right now.
Find out more by going to Prompt Pause on Facebook, or they can, of course, call the bounty hunter or stop on by at their location on East and 2nd Street.
Or you can call Happy Acres Sanctuary, 775-727-8899, and I'll hopefully have more information.
A couple curious employees here at KPVM TV ran across a little problem with a street sign that has an unusual name. Do you know the name of the street? Is it Ogallala, 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 or Ogallala? If you answered Ogallala, you're right. But why is the sign spelled incorrectly? News 46 wanted to find out why the sign doesn't match the pronunciation.
We found out that we have actually two signs that are spelled incorrectly, and we want to get that corrected.
During our research, we discovered that there actually isn't a word that we could find that was spelled Ogallalaia, but spelled Ogallala comes from the Sioux tribe. There is also a city of Ogallala, Nebraska, and the Ogallala Aquifer, which is the largest in the nation. News 46 contacted County Commissioner Frank Carboni to find out why the street name was wrong.
You know, whoever put the sign together could have been Public Works back at that point in time, which would have been many, many years ago. Probably just misspelled the word. I mean, whatever document they had to go do it. But when you look at all the other documents that are in the county, it shows that it is actually spelt with an L, not an I.
We knocked on a couple of doors in the neighborhood today to talk to residents. There is a number of apartment buildings running down Ogallala. Some of the people we contacted didn't notice the sign spelling. Some were wondering what the actual name was, and some thought that the paint was scratched off. We also looked at a homeowner's driver's license to see if those had to be changed now. Nope, the driver's license has the correct spelling on them. The roads department and all of the records has the spelling as Ogallala. The roads department is now scheduled to come out and replace the signs. The only thing residents need to do now is learn the correct spelling of the street many have lived on for years. This is Deanna O'Donnell for News 46. We'll return in just a moment.